The direction of trade winds in northern hemisphere is answer A, northeast to southwest. Indian rhinoceros is protected in answer B, Kaziranga National Park. Vandoor National Park, Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park is located in answer A, Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Which of the following glacier is located in the Nubra Valley? Answer D, Siachen. Leading lag producing state in India is answer D, Jharkhand. Spring tide occurs on answer C, both full moon and new moon. Which of the following types of forest occupy the largest percentage in India? Answer B, tropical dry deciduous. Which steel plant was set up before independence of India? Answer D, Jamshedpur. When was Indian Railways nationalized? Answer A, 1951. Recently, a Sud tribe was in news. It is found in which state? Answer D, Bihar, Jharkhand. Teesta river originated from which state? Answer C, Sikkim. The famous Snake Chance Rock Garden is located in answer A, Chandigarh. The oldest mountains in India according to geographical history are answer B, Aravallis. The widest gap across the Western Ghat is answer D, Pal Ghat. The Aichi targets are related to answer C, conservation of biodiversity. Where is the Lingaraj temple in India? Answer A, Bhubaneswar. Javi Dam is in which state? Answer C, Rajasthan. Who among the following has inaugurated the Greater Swar Water Supply Scheme in Meghalaya? Answer D, Amit Shah. Origin of river Tapti is in answer A, Maltai. Where is the Olympic building in India located? Answer B, New Delhi. Which one of the following state of India does not produce rubber? Answer B, Telangana. India's first national park of dash. Answer C, Jim Corbett National Park. Which of the following state has major deposits of tin ore? Answer C, Chhattisgarh. Kullu Valley is situated between which of the following mountain range? Answer D, Madhya Pradesh and Shivaliks. Where is the largest agriculture farm of India? Answer C, Suratgarh. Which iron steel plant was set up with British technical assistance? Answer B, Durgapur. Where are the headquarters of the Zoological Survey of India? Which conducts surveys for fauna in India? Answer D, Kolkata. Maharaja Bir Bikram Manikya Kishore Airport is located in which Indian state? Answer D, Tripura. Which of the following is the port of Tokyo? Answer D, Yokohama. By what name is a temperate coniferous forest in the Siberia region known? Answer B, taiga. Delhi is situated on the bank of which river? Answer B. Yamuna. At what place is Delhi in the country is greenery? Answer D. Fourth. The state has a Rihan Dam. Answer B. Uttar Pradesh. Which national region is covered with snow throughout the year? Answer D. Taiga region. Which area is known as the World of Pasture? Answer B. South Africa. The most suitable and important river for internal water transport is? Answer C. Rhine. Which is the hottest planet in the solar system? Answer C. Venus. Which of the following is called the port of the five seas? Answer B. Moscow. Monsoon is the mainstay of life of most of the residents of the state. Answer B. Agriculture. Which natural region is called the cold deserts? Answer C. Tundra region. Which natural region receives seasonal rainfall mainly at the end of summer? Answer C. Monsoon region. Plantation agriculture is done in which natural region? Answer A. Equatorial region. The lines in the map where the pressure is even are called? Answer B. Isobars. Which following is a landlocked country? Answer B. Tajikistan. Which one of the following countries is a landlocked country? Answer A. Gabon.